How to delete your Binance account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Binance account in 2024. Whether you're done with trading or want to switch platforms, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.binance.com. Log in using your email and password. Once you're in, make sure you've resolved any pending transactions and withdrawn any remaining funds. Ensure your account balance is zero before proceeding. Now, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Security from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you see the Account Management section. In the Account Management section, click Account Deletion. Binance will give you two options. 1. Disable account. This is temporary. 2. Delete account. This is permanent. Since we want to permanently delete the account, choose Delete Account. Binance may ask you to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once you've verified your identity, Binance will ask you to confirm the deletion. Carefully read the warning messages, as deleting your account is irreversible. If you're sure, click Confirm Deletion. And that's it. Your Binance account will be permanently deleted. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.